Professor Dame Wendy Hall is one of the leaders of the Webscience Institute. So, what specific types of things will the Webscience Institute be looking at?
Well, we're looking at anything to do with how the web and society work together, basically, because the web is created by us. It was developed by an engineer, a physicist, Tim Berners-Lee, and the protocols came from him, and a lot of technical people have been involved, but actually we put the content on. So it's society and individuals and organisations that makes the web grow. And because of the unpredictability of human behaviour, we can't predict what's going to happen to the web. And so the Webscience Institute and Web Science as a discipline was set up to try and study this new phenomenon which we've never experienced before. I like my latest phrase, it's machine power meets brain power.
How will this affect the development of the web?
Well, I hope we'll have an impact. That's the whole point. It's a bit like, how does computer science affect the development of computers? Because we seek to understand theory and fundamental principles and to be able to predict and it never be an exact science, but to predict trends and to try and advise people what are the good things to do and what are the things to avoid. I hope that our students and the results of our research programs will have a big impact on the way the web evolves and the way people use it and think about it.
How should our institutions be thinking about these effects?
Well, that follows on lovely from my last answer, because they need more advice. Very few people understand what it is they're dealing with and understand. They think of it as a piece of software or a computer, but they don't think of it as a holistic system, which includes individuals and communities and society as a whole, industry, governments, a whole ecosystem with the technology. And so we need all the different disciplines to study it, and we need to be able to set up, train people to advise governments and industries in this area.
Professor Hall, thank you very much.
My pleasure.